Are you struggling to keep up with data management and app building? Stop wasting time on manual updates. Imagine automating your data collection while creating powerful applications effortlessly. Browse AI allows you to scrape data from any website, while Google Sheets and Airtable organize it seamlessly. Unlock real-time data access to build dynamic applications without needing coding skills. Accelerate your workflow and dedicate more time to what truly matters. Benefit from platforms like Softr to create web apps effortlessly. Use Glide to build responsive mobile and web apps with real-time data. Adalo helps you design mobile applications filled with advanced features. Browse AI stands out as it integrates easily with Google Sheets and Airtable, offering unmatched flexibility and power. This combination transforms idea generation into deployment in no time. Don't wait. Start building your customized solution today. Explore the possibilities with Browse AI and no-code tools to drive your success forward. Take action now and revolutionize your app development journey.